Hello guys, welcome to today's analysis trade, whatever. We are going to just look on the higher time frames first for a quick analysis. It's currently 2:30. London session starts at 3. I have to go soon, but right now I'm just gonna go look and just look at what the charts are telling us right now. So weekly bullish, right? This red line is the previous low. Looks like this whole week candle is bullish at the moment. It's only 14 hours left until this weekly candle closes, so I would think that it's unlikely that this becomes green. So probably still probably bullish at the moment. So yeah, within this range, I doubt that it will come any lower than this. But this is the low that we have to take out it for weekly to turn bearish. That's why I marked that as red there. Daily, I'm just waiting for daily to flip bullish because daily has been bearish right here because it's retracing on the weekly. Let's see. Yep, so it hasn't flipped yet. So this one right here, this line, let's make this red. So this one here is the previous high here. So it has to cross this. I want to see a daily close above this one for it to turn bullish. So it could still go down at the moment. So yeah, daily hasn't flipped bullish yet. 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour. Wait, let's get rid of these. Don't know what they are. Okay, this is the most recent low here, the wick. We'll make this gray because it's like a more close to our price that we have to pay close attention to. So this is our 4 hour low. Just write that there. Okay, formed yesterday night, so probably in New York session last night. This is probably a session low as well that we'll look for. So maybe potential trade could be maybe buy around here. We'll have to see. What else? Nothing much at 4 hour that I see right now at the moment. Yep, so previous session high and lows are here and here. Previous session high here. Yeah, so this is 9, this is 5 something. Yesterday 5. So yeah, that was yesterday during London session. But it doesn't really matter because that is still a point that we're looking at because it's already taken out this low anyway. So this is the next low that we're looking at. Go down to 1 hour. Okay. Up. Broken structure here. So the 1 hour is bearish at the moment. So, okay. Yep. I might take a trade off here. Just a quick to buy here if we end up coming here. If we see something here on the 15-minute or something. We'll just have to see. Okay. Liquidity grab here. As you can see, liquidity grab and then straight up. Big fair value gaps here. Filled already though, so but just this fair value gaps and this really quick movement up just shows me that this is a liquidity grab. At least for me, that's what I think. Since there's a liquidity grab, there is also a there's also an order block here. One before the movement up here. I am looking for price to enter this range. Okay, and I need a break of structure upwards on the 1 minute after it enters this range. And I also want to see some sort of order block or fair value gap entry. That's what I usually like to enter off of. Yep, so we have enter entry somewhere around there. As I said, I want some sort of order block, or I'm not gonna enter off as soon as it. Okay, if it gets here and it breaks structure up, then I'm gonna be looking for some sort of 1 minute order block or some sort of fair value gap for it to drop back into before entering. I don't like to enter just off of like when it goes into the order block and then when it just goes up. I want it to go into the order block and then go up and then retrace again and then I'll enter. That's how I like to enter my trades. Okay, let's continue. So basically I took a trade in the car after I picked him up. I'll just show you what happened. Okay, hold up. So we had that 5 minute fair value gap here and that 15 minute order block here. 5 minute fair value gap from data from here, but we already went past it, so I'm just gonna take that one away. Yeah, we broke past the 5 minute fair value gap, so I'm just gonna ignore that. Order block here, broke structure here on the 1 minute, broke structure right here, and then so I was looking for an entry. What did I see? There was a 1 minute fair value gap here. Okay, and 1 minute fair value gap, and then it broke structure again here. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now, just waiting. Okay, in regards to take profit and stop loss, okay. So there was a 4-hour low here, so I was considering that. But initially the stop loss was here. So yeah, I think my stop loss is actually here actually. Even though there was a 4-hour low there. Okay, 4-hour low here. Okay, but when was that 4-hour low though? It was from yesterday at 5, which was London session, not New York session. So I don't think it will come down here because this was a whole day ago. It's like 3 trading sessions ago. So I don't think it will go down there again. I think it'll just enter this fair value gap here from this move down. I mean, not fair value gap, sorry. This is order block, which it just entered and then broke structure. Yes, I wanted to see if there was a break of structure on the 5 minute. I think actually might not work out because what I realized was on the 5 minute hasn't really broken structure to the upside yet, because lower low, higher, low, high, goes down, low, high, and then actually no, previous high was here. No, here, oops. Previous high was here. Okay, white candle, then green candle, up, then down. So previous high was actually here, so it hasn't. So on the 5 minute, we actually didn't close above that high yet. So it only really broke structure on the 1 minute, and I just entered off that. So my confidence for this trade was, let's write it down. I'm gonna be journaling all this down anyway. Stop this recording and then we'll come back when there's some more movements or if there's anything that I noticed. Okay guys, 22 seconds left and then the 5 minute candle will close. If it closes above this, then we have broken structure on the 5 minute, and then that means that we're going up. No, actually this one is the most recent high here, but oh, it closed. So yeah, 5 minute break of structure here, and we're okay. I think we're all right to target those highs. Morning guys, so basically I want to just go through why I lost that trade yesterday. I had a bit of a talk with a friend, and basically I figured out the reason why. So as you can see on the 4 hour, we're going up, right? Up. So that was correct. Yes, it was going up. But since we're scalping, we need to be very careful because we're scalping on very low time frames and the trades don't really last very long. So let's go down to the 1 hour. So 4 hour, we were going up. Right, but on the 1 hour, you can see there's a very clear invalid breakout structure here. Price did not break structure here. Right, it was very clearly moving up. But here, there was an invalid breakout structure. Oop. So that's why it wasn't very ideal to take a long, because there was an invalid breakout structure. So let's go down a bit more. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, in the 15-minute, it was all bearish because of this invalid breakout structure, and yeah, there was no 15-minute breakout structure upwards, so that's something that I didn't consider. And if you go down to the 5-minute, there's actually an order block right here, which is why I got stopped out. Order block right here. Price entered the order block, literally touched it, swept previous liquidity right here, and just went straight down, taking out my stop loss, taking out the previous 4 hour low right here, swept liquidity, and then continued to go up. So overall, the higher time frame bias of bullish was still correct, but because we're scalping here, I want to take into consideration 1 hour structure, how 1 hour is going, how 4 hours going, and I think that's what I failed to consider yesterday. I didn't really pay attention to this part and saw that the 1 hour had an invalid breakup structure, and there was a 5-minute order block here, which I didn't realize as well, which is why. That's the trade recap for today. I hope you guys can just comment down what you guys learned. Just take some notes and then comment down your notes. You can correct each other. We can help each other out. It's just a space for us to learn together. I'm not some sort of mentor. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep up for the next one.